Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We are today going to draw kiwi, the fruit, and this is my style. It is a very loose sketch style, and it's about freeing your mind from the form of any perfections or judgments. This is about having fun. This is about sketching and setting yourself free in the process. And this is the example that I'm starting right now. It is a fruit collection, and in the end I'm going to turn this into a sticker, and I'm going to make a video about that too. But today in this video I wanted to do with you together a loose sketch, freedom sketch of Kiwi, and this is my reference right here. And we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to use the Tombow. I showed this in the last video as well. I will put the link down below, and let's get started. So if you want to have a free tutorial to get started in this style, in this very loose sketch style, the freedom sketch style, then you can also check that in the description below. And without further ado, let's start the video, the sketch. So yeah, I'm going to do just a little bit of some of these kiwis right here on this page, and let's see. I want to keep the video under 15 minutes, and just to show you how quick and easy this is also, and how very quick you can do these designs as well. So here we go. Let's just start right away. So we have the kiwi right there. It is an oval shape, as you can see here, and it is cut like this. And you can also use the in the middle. It's like that as well. It's almost an oval, and it has lots of dots in the middle, like so. And then all this, it's looks like a line going away from the middle. And then you can also here give a little bit of a texture. It's this hairy kind of, if you have ever touched the kiwi, then it has this hairy kind of texture. And then we are going to go, let's put a little bit of, just a little bit of shadows right there, and then a little bit of a darker shadow here. So we already have a little bit of more shading, and a little bit more of different values, so the kiwi pops a little bit more up into the picture. Let's try to add a little bit more. I'm just trying on the go here as well, because I've never drawn kiwis before. But with this style, this is our, just going to have fun. And after this, we are going to color it as well. So this is also going to be fun. So this is all about having fun. As you can probably already tell, it's not about perfections in any kind of form. So this is going to be another kiwi. This is all the how do you call this actually in English? It's well, if you know that one, please leave it in the comments below, because in Japanese it's tane, and German it's the can. And let's put the shadows right here, like that. Perfect. And then cross it so it has a little bit more. So as you can see, this proportion is not very quite right, but that's fine. It's okay. It's all right. Let's do this oval a little bit bigger. This one's very fun shape as well. there you go. Ah, yes, and now I know what it's called. It's called the seeds. It's just okay, popped into my mind. It's the seeds, right? So here are the seeds right there, perfect. And then this shape, let's do it a little bit smaller like that. That's perfect. And as you can see, just by doing this crosses here, you can already do more like almost like a 3D work here. Let's add a little bit like that, a little bit of more shadowy shape right here. And then you'll see with the color it's going to be more in shape of more of a kiwi right there. So this is just the whole kiwi. It's just gonna be brown, so a little bit shaped like that actually. And you can see I'm just, you know, not really trying to correct it, overcorrect it. It's just a little bit of adding a line, and that's it. Let's see if we can find a little bit more other shapes. So this one's also very interesting. It's like that. It's perfect. And then it's perfect in an imperfect way, right? So it's almost a little bit it's a mindset thing as well. It's not about perfection. It's about just discovering. It's about playing, you know, this feeling of trying to figure things out just on the go. As kids, we've done this all the time, and as we grow old, we don't let ourselves have that fun times anymore. Just to play around, just to find out the shapes. Okay, it just kind of looks like that. Let's add a little bit more. The seeds right there, and then the shape again, and then a little bit of like that. That's so cool. That's cool with me, and that's already good enough, because look at this, it's pretty. I like it. I like it so far. So let's do another one here. Let's do that shape here, and then add like this, and then add more like that. And then you can see, look how quick this can also go on the side here. Just a little bit of correction there. Perfect. And then add a little bit of shadow. The cross hatching like this. Perfect. I didn't do any shadows here. Let's do it here. Perfect. Cross hatching. Boom. There you go. All right. I'm kind of liking these designs already. So I'm going to go and switch over to my watercolor. And this is also very, very loose. This is, you know, something that is also super loose. Add more water, actually more water than the color. There's the color right there. I like it looks very juicy. I like that one. There you go. And yeah, let me tell you a little bit more about the philosophy here. It doesn't matter if you're like a seasoned artist, or it doesn't matter if you're just beginning, you know, artist. Drawing should be something very fun and easy things to do. Not only, I mean, okay. So I believe in generally in life is that there's always two sides of the coin. So one side is quite the opposite of the other thing that you're trying to pursue. So which is, for example, you have perfection on one side, and then you have like total loose and freedom on the other side. And what I believe in is that you can be both at the same time, which contradicts, you know, sometimes your mind can comprehend like contradiction quite well. It's either or, but in truth we are both at the same time always, without knowing it most of the time. And I believe that if you open up your mind to the opposite, you can only benefit from that, because you are expanding your horizon of just you existing, right? So that's really already a cool thing to do. So I'm not gonna only here, for example, stay in line. As you can see, I'm just gonna do it really loosely. Here, add a little bit of another color, green, so it doesn't only stay one color. All right, and to end my point that I'm trying to say is, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner artist or if you're a seasoned artist. There's always something that you can learn from any activity that you do. And in this case, I'm trying to show that you can go back and discover again of having fun and loosen up a little bit yourself, and just have a go and find your voice of fun again, joyfulness, looseness, and yeah, that's what I believe in. There is power in being loose. There is really something that everybody can discover in being very loose, like this. I'm really liking the kiwi color here already. Now after that, I'm going to go and do the skin color. This one, for example, is already, this is only skin color here, so I'm gonna go do that, and then add a little bit of a darker brown on this one side here, and even darker. So I encourage everybody to just go and try it out for yourself, and just observe yourself how you are handling, being free and playful again. Is there a voice, trying to control things? Is there a voice that is kind of battling, one voice saying completely opposite things? Or are you someone who can just dive in and be one with this technique, which is the freedom sketch technique right here? So there you go. This is already done for this page right now. This kind of looks like something that is not a kiwi, like a potato, but that's fine. It's also very fun. And let's try to end up the middle here. I'll do it a little bit silvery, so it doesn't stay like pure white, because pure white in real life doesn't really show up that much. So silvery, that's it. There you go, that's it. This is the page done right here, and I hope you guys had fun also watching and doing, and I especially wish you very much fun doing this kiwi. And this is Reno Indiono from Freedom Sketch, and I see you all in the next video. Stay safe, and this is Reno. So if you want to suggest the next thing that I could draw or paint, then please leave a comment down below. And I also am open for commissions for that and matter. Yeah, so if you have any questions, just ask right away, and I'll see you all in the next video. All right, bye bye, have a good day.